Hi everybody! Today I have a quick video for you, and I'm using leftover ingredients that I've had from other videos. So I'm gonna do a chili cheese hash brown casserole. So I had leftover, and I had an extra bag of the shredded potatoes. So I'm just gonna put these in the bottom. And spread those around a little bit. And then I had leftover from my other bag, so I'm just going to use that. Spread those around. And then I had leftover canned chili, so I'm going to season it up with some Tony's. And it probably already has enough salt in it, so I'm not going to add any extra. But I'll do a little bit of a kick. Do some Tony's. I've got some black pepper. And then, of course, the garlic. And coughing on the pepper. Okay. And stir that up. Still coughing on pepper. Okay, I'm good. I'm just going to stir that up a little bit. Spoon that over. Alright, and I'm going to try to work it in a little bit. And then, of course, I have cheese. I don't know how I had leftover cheese, but I've got so much cheese. Alright, so I'm going to use that. I'll put all my cheese on here. And then top it off with some green onion. Right. And then I'm going to put it in the oven. Okay, my casserole was in the oven for about 25 minutes, and I'm going to stir it up a little bit. I've let it cool off a little bit. So I'm just going to stir it. Get everything all mixed. Oh, that's really cheesy, just like me. Love it. Make sure it all gets combined. I don't want a bite of dry potato. No. All right, now I'm ready to scoop up a little bit. See, it looked better before that, didn't it? Oh well. All right, so I'm going to scoop up a little bit. Put that on my plate. And then I'm going to top it off with some sour cream. And don't be laughing at my huge tub of sour cream, okay? I normally don't have a big tub of sour cream like this, but I have another recipe that I want to share with you, and that's coming up soon. And I just wanted to make sure I had enough sour cream for that. So I'm going to take a little bit, put that on top, and then I'm ready for my bite. Mix it. Oh, there we go. That's pretty good. It was good for just using leftover ingredients that I already had. Of course, it would taste good with tomatoes or some salsa, but it's not bad. I really like it.